Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to use Canva to make a YouTube thumbnail just like this one but on your mobile. So what I want you guys to do is you can either click on YouTube thumbnail right here on the left corner, or you can simply click on the search templates and write YouTube thumbnail, and as you can see you could simply click on the YouTube thumbnail right here and then click on create a blank YouTube thumbnail. So once you click on this, it'll take you to a blank page. The first option or the first step is to click on the blank background and choose color. You can simply click on the red color and then choose the text and click on the default text style, which is this one, the add a heading. And then let's say I want to write how to make money on YouTube. So once you click on the text that we created, I want you guys to go all the way until you find the effects and then go to the outline, click on it. Once you click on the outline, I want you guys to go back and choose the format and click on the AA right here. And once you do this, you can see that the words are capital now. And if you click on the spacing, I can make a little space between them, okay? And then the little spacing like this, and then to the format again, and then I click on the left. And once I do this, I can change the color of the text by clicking on the white color. Then what I want you guys to do is click on the uploads and choose whatever you guys want to choose, the background, but for the sake of this video I'm choosing this, okay? Then can drag it all the way to the left bottom, and then I can click on the uploads again and I can choose this guy right here to be the background image. Click on the upload again, I'll choose YouTube, and once I do this I will resize the YouTube image just by clicking on the edge, the left top corner edge of the YouTube, and start dragging it to make it smaller, okay? And if I click on the edge, the left top corner of the edge, I can make this image a little bigger. So this is how you can simply create a YouTube thumbnail on Canva using your mobile. That was a quick and simple steps on how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva by using your mobile. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.